Emergency provisions. Article 352 National Emergency. Article 356 Presidential Rule. Article 360 Financial Emergency. 352 Approved by Parliament within 1 month. Special majority. 356 Presidential Rule 2 months simple majority. Financial 1 month simple majority. Extension. Lok Sabha can be extended for 1 year at a time for infinite time. Extension cannot be continued beyond 6 months after it ceased to operate. Parliament may extend tenure of State Assembly. 356 3-year max plus 6 months approval 44 CAA 2 condition any must be operational ECI must certify. 360 continues indefinitely. 352 Revocation. President without Parliament. Lok Sabha with simple majority, not Rajya Sabha. 1/10 member give notice to Speaker or President if House not in session, then vote. 356 Revocation by President only, no role of Parliament. Supreme Court or High Court can also squash it as unconstitutional. 360 Financial by President only. 352 Effects. Unitary executive and legislative powers, though power of centre not gone, but centre of Parliament override. President ordinance on state subjects also. 42nd CA applicable to all states, not only to states under any. 356 Effects. President can take up powers of state government plus governor plus other executive authority. President can declare powers of state legislature are to be exercised by Parliament. He can suspend constitutional provisions. Parliament can delegate President or any other authority powers to make laws for state. President can authorize expenditure from CFOS if Parliament is not in session. Laws remain inoperative. 360 Executive authority of centre exterior to direct state to observe canons of financial propriety. B. Direction of President. Direction of Centre. A reduction in salary and allowances of all or any class or in state. B. Reserve all money bills plus other financial bills after passed by state legislature. Directions of President. A reduction in salary and allowances of judges of Supreme Court and High Court. B. Reduction salary and allowances of all or any class in Union. 352 Life of LS or SLA 1 year at a time by law of Parliament and not by President. 356 Suspended or dissolved SLA. 352 FRs. Article 358 Article 19 automatically suspended. 44 CA only in any on external aggression. Article 359 on enforcement of rights other than Article 20 and 21 suspended. 356 No effect on FR. Note: President rule is imposed on two grounds. Article 356 President satisfied that state cannot function as per constitution machinery. Article 365 Failure to comply centre's order. President, Vice President and Governor. Article 52 to 78 deals with Union Executive, President, Vice President, PM, COM, Attorney General. Qualification for President. Citizen plus 35 years plus qualified to be member of LS plus no office of profit. Qualification for Vice President. All same like plus qualified to be member of RS President. Nomination of candidate for election to office of President. Need 50 proposals and 50 seconders. For Vice President, need 20 proposers and 20 seconders. President's election. PRSTV. According to proportional representation by means of single transferable votes. To get elected must secure fixed quota of votes. Secret ballot. 5 points same for Vice President. Cannot be challenged on ground that Electoral College was incomplete. Election dispute are deal with Supreme Court. Electoral College of President. Elected MPs not nominated unlike Vice President. Second, elected MLA not MLCs. Third, elected members of Legislative Assembly of Delhi, Puducherry, J&K who do not participate. Nominated MPs, nominated MLAs, elected plus nominated MLCs, nominated member of Legislature of UTs, Delhi, Puducherry and J&K. Electoral College of Vice President. Both elected and nominated members of Parliament who do not include members of state legislature. Functions of Vice President. Ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. He acts as a president when vacancy occurs in office of president due to his resignation, impeachment, death or other act. Acts as president only for 6 months. While acting as president does not perform duties of office of chairman or Rajya Sabha. Gets salary and allowances of president. Constitution has not fixed any emoluments for vice president. Vice president draws salary as ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Term of office of vice president 5 years. Eligible for re-election any number of times. Resignation letter to president. President gives resignation letter to vice president. Removal. Formal impeachment is not required. Removed by a resolution passed by RS by effective majority and agreed by the Lok Sabha by simple majority. Resolution can only be introduced in Rajya Sabha. No such resolution unless at least 14 days advance notice. No ground has been mentioned in Constitution for removal of Vice President. Should not be member of either house. Governor. Part 6 deals with state government. Article 153-167 deals with state executive. Governor, CM, COM, Advocate General. Acts as an agent of central government. 7 CA 1956 same person can be appointed as governor of 2 states. In this case, emoluments, allowances are shared by states in such proportion as determined by president. But in normal cases, emoluments, allowances of governor determined by parliament. He should not be a member of either house of parliament or state legislature. Term of office 5 years, subject to pleasure of president. No security of tenure. No ground mentioned in Constitution for removal of governor. Resignation to president. Executive power of president. All executive actions of union government in his name. Same for governor with respect to state. Make rules specifying manner in which order made and executed in his name shall be authenticated. Same for governor. Make rules for more convenient transaction of businesses. Allocation among ministers. Same for governor with respect to state. Appoint CM plus other ministers hold office during his pleasure. Governor, CM plus other minister plus tribal welfare minister in states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, MP, Odisha, Bihar excluded. Appoints Attorney General. Governor appoints Advocate General. appoints CAG CEC plus EC, chairman and member of UPSC, chairman and member of FC, governor with respect to state similar SEC, SPC, SC, SC, SFC, state SEC removed only in manner or grounds as a judge of High Court. Chairman and member of SPSC are removed only by President and not Governor. 6. Into relating to administration of affairs from PM Governor CM. Appoint a commission SCs, STs, OBC. Appoint interstate council. Directly administered UT through the administrators appointed by him. He can declare any area as scheduled area and plus power with respect to administration of scheduled area and tribal areas. Legislative powers of President. President integral part of Parliament. Summons prorogue Parliament plus dissolve Lok Sabha. Governor dissolve SLA. Summon joint sitting preside by Lok Sabha Speaker. No such power with Governor. Address Parliament at the commencement of first session after each general election and first session of each year. Governor state legislature appoints any member of Lok Sabha to preside over its proceedings when office of both Speaker and Deputy Speaker fall vacant. Governor SLA, same for RS and SLC. President nominates 12 members of Rajya Sabha, Literature, Arts, Science, Social Science. LASS. Governor nominates 1/6 members of SLC, LASS plus cooperative societies. 104 CA. Nomination of Anglo-Indian to Lok Sabha by President has been stopped. He decides on question of disqualification of MPs in consultation with ECI. Governor, MLAs or MLCs in consultation with state EC. Prior recommendation is needed to introduce certain types of bills. Example, bill involving expenditure from CFI, bills for altering of boundaries, no such power to Governor. When bill sent to President after passed by Parliament, he can give assent, withhold assent, return bill if not a money bill. However, it again passed by Parliament with or without amendment, President has to give his assent to bill. Same for Governor. When bill passed by state legislature and reserved by Governor for consideration of President, President can first give assent, second withhold assent, third direct the Governor to return the bill if not money bill. Article 111. It is not obligatory for President to give his assent if the bill is again passed by state legislature. It is mandatory to reserve the bill for President by Governor where the bill passed by state legislature endangers the position of state High Court. Promulgate ordinance when Parliament is not in session. Ordinance must be approved by Parliament within 6 weeks from its reassembly. Max life 6 months or 6 weeks. Withdraw it anytime. Same for Governor with respect to state legislature. Lay report of UPSC, CAG, FC before Parliament, Governor, SPSC, CAG or SFC. Financial powers of President. Money bill only with his prior recommendation. Same for Governor with respect to state legislature. Lay before Parliament annual financial statement budget. Same by Governor. In state legislature, no demand for grants can be made except on his recommendation. Same for Governor. He can make advances out of Contingency Fund of India, CFI. Governor, CFS. Constitute a finance commission after every 5 years to recommend the distribution between centre and state. Same for Governor to review the financial position of panchayat and municipalities. Judicial power of President. Appoint Chief Justice and Judge of Supreme Court and High Court. 143 articles seek advice from Supreme Court, not binding on President. President decides the strength of High Court judges. Strength of Supreme Court by Parliament. Judicial powers of Governor. He is consulted by President while appointing judges of High Courts. Governor makes appointment, posting and promotion of district judge in consultation with High Court. Military powers of President. He is Supreme Commander of Defence Forces of India. He appoints Chief of Army, Navy, Air Force, declare war plus conclude peace subject to approval by Parliament. Veto powers. Absolute veto. Withholding of assent to bill passed by legislature. Bill then ends. Second, suspensive veto. Return the bill for reconsideration. Can be override by legislature with ordinary majority. US higher majority. Not available in case of money bill. Pocket veto. Neither ratifies nor rejects nor return. Simply keep the bill pending. Constitution does not prescribe any time limit. USA only 10 days. Pocket of Indian President is bigger than American President. Fourth, qualified veto USA. Pocket veto President 1986 Jail Singh Indian Post Office Amendment Bill 1989 President R. Venkateshwar Raman dropped bill. President of India is vested with absolute, suspensive and pocket veto. No qualified veto in case of Indian President. Ordinance making power of President. Article 123 empowers President to promulgate ordinances during the recess of Parliament. Same force and effect as an act of Parliament. Same for Governor, State Legislature, Article 213. Ordinances cannot be issued to amend the Constitution. Only when both or either of houses of parliaments are not in session, that is, it is not a parallel power of legislation. Make ordinance only when he is satisfied with the circumstances exist that render it necessary for him to take immediate action. 44 CAA. President's satisfaction is justiciable on ground of malafide. President's power is extensive as regard all matters except duration, with law making powers of Parliament. Ordinance issued only on those subjects on which Parliament can make laws. Subject to same limitations as Act of Parliament, hence cannot take away any of the fundamental rights. Not parallel but coextensive. Maximum life of an ordinance can be 6 months and 6 weeks in case of non-approval by Parliament. He can withdraw ordinance anytime. Not a discretionary power, but can promulgate ordinance only on advice of COM headed by PM. Appointment of Governor. Appointed by President by warrant under his hand and seal. Supreme Court in 1970. Office at Governor is not an employment under central government. It is independent constitutional office, not under control or subordinate to central government. Qualification for President as per Constitution. 2 qualifications, citizen and 35 years. Plus 2 conventions developed should be outsider, while appointing President is required to consult CM of state concerned. Canadian model. Governor appointed by President. American model. Governor is directly elected. Manner of elections of President. Article 55. Value of vote of MLA. Total population of state upon total elected MLA into 1 by 1000. Value of vote of MP. Total value of vote of all MLAs of all states upon total elected MPs. Oath by President. Same for Governor. To faithful executive office, to preserve, protect and defend Constitution, to devote himself to service and well-being of people of India. Oath by Vice President. To bear true faith and allegiance to Constitution, to faithfully discharge the duties of his office. CGI. In his absence, senior most judge of Supreme Court available administers oath to President. President or some other person appointed by him administers oath to Vice President. Chief Justice of State High Court. In his absence, senior most judge of that High Court administers oath to Governor. Privileges and immunities. Same for Governor. Personal immunity from legal liability for his official acts. During his office, he is immune from any criminal proceeding, even with respect to his personal acts. After giving 2 months' notice, civil proceeding can be instituted against him during his term of office, respect of his personal acts. He cannot be arrested or imprisoned during his term of office. President can transfer a governor appointed from one state to another state for rest of the term. Chief Justice of concerned state High Court can be appointed to discharge functions of governor of state in his absence. President's impeachment. Ground Constitution. Violation of the Constitution not defined in Constitution. Indian President eligible for re-election, but in USA only 2 terms. Impeachment charges. Initiated by either house and should signed by 1/4 member of house. 14 days notice to President. Majority special 2/3 of total membership. Has right to appear at his investigation. Who participates? MPs of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. No president impeached so far. Pardoning power of President. Article 72. With respect to Union law. Court martial. Death sentence. Pardoning power of President is dependent on judiciary, but while exercising this power, he or she does not sit as a court of appeal, its executive power. First, pardon. Completely absolves convict from all sentences or punishment. Second, commutation. Changing form to lighter. Third, remission. Reducing period of sentence without changing character. 4. Respite. Awarding lesser sentence in place of one originally awarded due to physical disability and pregnancy of woman offender. 5. Reprieve. Stay of execution of sentence. Article 161. Pardoning power of governors. President can pardon sentences deprived by court martial while governor cannot. President can pardon death sentence while governor cannot, even if it is against state law. Constitutional position of President. Head of state but not of executive. He represents state but not rule. It is the symbol of nation. Article 53. Executive power of Union are vested in President. Article 74. Com with PM to aid and advise President who shall act in accordance with such advice. Article 75. Com shall be collectively responsible to Lok Sabha. Parliamentary form of government. 42nd CAA made President bound by advice of Com headed by PM. 44 CAA authorized President may return a matter once more for reconsideration of his ministers, but the reconsidered advice shall be binding. President has no constitutional discretion. He has some situational discretion. Same for governor. Appointing PM when no party has clear majority in Lok Sabha or PM in office dies suddenly. Dismissal of COM when it cannot prove the confidence of Lok Sabha. Dissolution of Lok Sabha if COM has lost its majority. Constitutional position of governor. Article 154. Executive power of state government are vested in government. Article 163. COM with CM as head to aid and advise governor. Article 164. Collective COM responsibility of state legislative assembly of the state. Governor's constitution discretion, reserving state bills for consideration of president. Recommendation for imposition of president's rule. If exercising his functions as administrator of an adjoining UT in case of additional charge. Determining amount payable by Government of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram to autonomous district council as royalty occurring from licensor for mineral exploration, seeking info from CM with respect to administration and legislative matter of state. Constitutional discretion is provided only for governor and not for president, whereas situational discretion is given to both. Prime Minister. Constitution has not specified the procedure for selection of PM. Article 75. PM shall be appointed by President. President has to appoint leader of majority party in Lok Sabha. When no majority, President can apply his discretion. President Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy appointed Chaudhry Charan Singh. 1997 Supreme Court. Person not member of either house can be appointed as PM for 6 months, within which he should become member of any house. Term not fixed. Hold office during pleasure of President. Article 78. PM act as channel of communication between President and Council of Ministers. Resignation or death of PM automatically dissolves the COM. PM, leader of lower house. He announces government policies on the floor. Oath of secrecy. PM is administered by the President, which is to be similar to other union ministers. Salary and allowances decided by Parliament. COM. Article 74. Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. President shall act in accordance with advice tendered by COM. This advice tendered by ministers cannot be inquired in court. Article 163. COM with CM aid and advise Governor except in his discretion. Article 75. COM on advice of PM appointed by President. Total number of COM plus PM shall not exceed 15% of total member of Lok Sabha 91st CA 2003. COM holds office during pleasure of President. Article 75. When Lok Sabha passes a no confidence motion against COM, all ministers, including those ministers who are member of RS, have to resign collective responsibility. 164 AAA. Other ministers shall be appointed on advice of CM by Governor. If member of either house disqualified on ground of defection, also disqualified to be appointed as ministers. COM is constitutional body, whereas cabinet ministers only mentioned in Article 352 of National Emergency, originally not mentioned. Cabinet ministers are actual center of power. They supervised COM. Cabinet committees. Extra constitutional, no mention in constitution, provided by rules of business. Set up by PM as per requirement. Cabinet committees chaired by PM. First, Appointment Committee. Second, Economic Affairs Committee. Third, Political Affairs Committee. Most powerful, aka Super Cabinet. 4. Security Committee. 5. Investment and Growth Committee. 6. Skill Development Committee. # Parliamentary Affairs Committee is chaired by Home Minister. Non-cabinet minister can also be included as member. # Cabinet Committee on Accommodation is also chaired by Answer a Home Minister. In case PM is a member of committee, he or she invariably presides over it. Organizational device to reduce the enormous overload of cabinet. Cabinet can review their decisions. Parliament consists of President plus RS plus Lok Sabha. 1954 House of People, name change Lok Sabha. Council of State 1954 Rajya Sabha. Article 79 122 to 122 deals with organization, composition, duration, offices, procedure, privileges and power of Parliament. Rajya Sabha. Max strength 250, 238 state plus UTs indirectly elected. 12 nominated LASS. Fourth schedule speaks about allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha to states and UTs. Members are elected by elected members of SLA through PRSTV. Seats are allocated on basis of population, that is varies from state to state. Members from UTs are indirectly elected by member of an electoral college specially constituted for the purpose. Out of 8 UTs, only 3 have representation in RS. Other are too small, and those 3 are Delhi, Puducherry and J&K. 12 nominated members by President. LAS का full form literature, art, science, social science. Lok Sabha. Max strength 550 to 530 states, 20 UTs, 2 Anglo-Indians. 2 Anglo-Indians stopped by 104th CAA 2019 if extended the reservation for SC and ST for up to 10 years. Election to Lok Sabha are based on universal adult franchise. Age reduced from 21 to 18 by 61st CAA 1988. Territorial constituencies. Each state is allotted number of seats in Lok Sabha. Ratio between that number and its population is same for all states. Not applied to states below population 6 million. Ratio between population of each constituency and number of seats allotted is also same throughout that state. Rajya Sabha. Not subject to dissolution because it is a continuing chamber. 1/3 member retire every 3 years. Constitution. Terms of member 6 years. ROPA 1951. Lok Sabha. Not a continuing chamber and automatically dissolves every 5 years. Plus President can dissolve anytime. Can be extended during national emergency 1 year at a time for any length of time. However, not continued beyond 6 months after emergency ceased to be operated. Qualification for MPs. As per Constitution, citizen of India, 30 years of RS, 25 years for Lok Sabha. Other qualification prescribed by Parliament. As per ROPA 1951. He or she must be registered as an elector for a parliamentary constituency. He or she must be a member of SC or ST in any state or UT if he or she wants to contest a seat reserved for them. Criteria for disqualification of MPs. As per Constitution, office of profit, not a citizen of India, unsound mind declared by court, undischarged, insolvent, disqualified under any law made by Parliament. Detention of person under preventive detention law is not a disqualification. Speaker Lok Sabha, Chairman Rajya Sabha decides on the question of disqualification under 10th schedule. SC 1992 decision of Chairman or Speaker is subject to judicial review. Every member of either house before taking his seat subscribes to an oath before president or some person appointed by him. MP cannot vote and participate in the proceeding of house without taking oath. Parliament decides salaries and allowances of MPs charged upon CFI, not subject to annual vote of Parliament, plus no provision of pension in the Constitution. Speaker of Lok Sabha, elected by Lok Sabha from amongst its members immediately after its first sitting. Speaker, date of his election decided by President. Resolution for his removal moved only after giving 14-day advance notice. Same for SLA. During consideration of resolution, he cannot preside at sitting though he may be present, can speak, can take part in proceeding, can vote in first instance, but not in case of equality of vote. Speaker does not vacate his office and continue till newly elected Lok Sabha meets when Lok Sabha is dissolved. He is guardian of power and privileges of the member of the House, principal spokesperson of the House. He is final authority to decide all parliamentary matters. He is the final interpreter of provision of Constitution, rules of procedure, parliamentary proceedings within the House. Does not vote in first instance but casting vote in case of tie. Same for SLA. Speaker presides over the joint session summoned by President. He is a chairman of Business Advisory Committee, Rules Committee, General Purpose Committee. Deputy Speaker, elected by Lok Sabha from amongst its members after election of Speaker. Speaker fixes the date of election of Deputy Speaker. When office of Deputy Speaker falls vacant, Lok Sabha elects another member to fill the vacancy. Remains in office usually during life of Lok Sabha. However, he may vacate, resign, removal, cease to be member of Lok Sabha. When Deputy Speaker acts as Speaker, when later is absent, he assumes all power of Speaker and also presides over the joint sitting in case Speaker is absent. Not subordinate to Speaker but directly responsible to House. Whenever he is appointed as member of Parliamentary Committee, he automatically becomes its chairman. Like Speaker, Deputy Speaker, while presiding over House, cannot vote in first instance. When Speaker presides the House, position of the Deputy Speaker is like any other ordinary member. Salary of Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Chairman of Rajya Sabha, charged on CFI. Up to 10th Lok Sabha, Speaker and Deputy Speaker ruling party. Since 11th Lok Sabha consensus, Speaker ruling party, Deputy Speaker main opposition party. There is no separate oath for the office of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Institution of Speaker and Deputy Speaker originated in 1921 under GOI Act 1919 at that time called as President and Deputy President. First, Speaker Frederick White, Deputy Speaker Sachidanand Sinha. First Indian and first elected Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly 1925, Vittal Bhai J. Patel. First Speaker and Deputy Speaker in Lok Sabha. First Speaker G.V. Mavlankar 1946 to 56 as Speaker and first Deputy Speaker Anantha Sayanam Iyengar. Not Constitution. Under rules of Lok Sabha, Speaker nominates from amongst member a panel of chairperson, not more than 10. Any of them can preside over House in absence of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. He has same power as Speaker when so presiding. Any other person as determined by House act as Speaker when a member of panel of chairperson is also not present. Member of the panel cannot preside when office of speaker and deputy speaker is vacant. In this case, speaker duties are performed by member of house as president may appoint for the purpose. Speaker pro tem, appointed by president, administers oath to him, presides over first sitting of newly elected Lok Sabha, all powers of speaker. He enables the house to elect new speaker. When new speaker is elected by house, office of pro tem speaker ceases to exist. Vice President or presiding officer of Rajya Sabha. During any period when Vice President acts as President or discharges function of President, he does not perform the duties of Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Chairman of Rajya Sabha is removed only when he is removed from office of Vice President. As presiding officer, powers and functions of Chairman are similar to those of Speaker. Two special powers of Speaker not enjoyed by Chairman of Rajya Sabha. First, Speaker decides whether a bill is money bill or not, and his decision is final. Speaker presides over joint sitting. Unlike Speaker, who is a member of House, Chairman is not a member of House. Like Speaker, Chairman also cannot vote in first instance but only casting vote. He cannot preside over House when a resolution of his removal is under a consideration. Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha is elected by Rajya Sabha amongst its members. Panel of Vice Chairperson and Rajya Sabha ruler of RS nominated by Chairman same as Lok Sabha. Each House of Parliament has the separate secretarial staff. Recruitment and service conditions are regulated by Parliament. Secretary General Permanent Officer, Head Secretary of each House, appointed by Presiding Officer of House. Leader of House, PM, if he is member of Lok Sabha. If member of another House, person nominated by PM. Leader of Opposition, leader of largest opposition party having not less than 1/10th seat of total strength of House. Ivor Jennings, LOP, leader of opposition, is alternative PM. Office of Whip, mentioned neither in Constitution nor in Rule of House nor in Parliamentary Statute, based on Parliamentary Convention. Every political party, whether ruling or opposition, has its whip in Parliament, appointed by political party. Session of Parliament. President summons each House from time to time. Maximum time gap between two sessions of Parliament cannot be more than 6 months. Adjournment और prorogation. पहले adjournment देखते हैं. Only terminate sitting. Done by presiding officer. Not affect any bill or any other business. Only in case of dissolution. Prorogation. Terminates both sitting and session. Done by president. Not affect bills or any other business pending before House, but all pending notices other than intro of bills lapse on prorogation. Lapsing of bill. Simple trick. Try and apply. If touched by old Lok Sabha, be it discussed, passed or pending, lapse. If touched by President, consideration joint sitting does not lapse. Pending in Rajya Sabha but Lok Sabha not passed, not touched, does not lapse. Language in Parliament. Constitution, Hindi and English. Presiding officer can permit a member to address House in his own mother tongue. Quorum. Minimum number needed to conduct business of House. 1/10th of total number of House. Lok Sabha 55, Rajya Sabha 26. Every Minister and Attorney General of India has right to speak and take part in proceeding in either House any joint sitting and any committee of parliament of which he is a member without being entitled to vote. A minister can participate in proceeding of a house of which he is not a member. Lame duck session. It refers to last session of existing Lok Sabha after a new Lok Sabha has been elected. Those members of existing Lok Sabha who could not get re-elected to new Lok Sabha are called lame ducks. Devices of parliamentary proceedings. First question hour. First hour of every parliamentary sitting. Members ask question to ministers. Start. Oral answer plus supplementary question. Unstarred. Written answer plus no supplementary question. Short notice question. Notice of less than 10 days plus oral answer. Question hour is mentioned in the rules of procedure. Second, 0 hour. Start immediately after question hour and last until agenda for the day. Informal device. To raise matter without prior notice. It is an Indian innovation. Existence since 1962. Not mentioned in rule of procedure. Third, motions. Moved by either minister or private member to raise discussion on various matters. Substantive motion. Self-contained independent proposal dealing with very important matter like removal of CEC or impeachment of president. Substitute motion. Proposed as alternative to original motion and it supersedes original motion. Subsidiary motion. Subsidiary to original motion. Closer motion. Moved by member to cut short debate on matters. Simple closure. Closure by compartment. Kangaroo closure. Important clauses are taken up for debate and voting and intervening clauses are skipped and taken as passed. Guillotine closure. Undiscussed clauses of bill are also put to vote along with discussed one due to want of time. Privilege motion. Concerned with breach of parliamentary privileges. Its purpose is to ensure the concerned minister. Calling attention motion. Introduced by a member to call attention of a minister to a matter of urgent public importance. Indian innovation since 1954. Unlike 0 hour, it is mentioned in rule of procedure. Adjournment motion. To draw attention of House to a definite matter of urgent public importance. Need support of 50 members to be admitted. Extraordinary device. Interrupt business of House. Rajya Sabha cannot move it. Censor motion. Should state reason for its adoption. Can be moved against an individual minister or group or entire COM for ensuring the council of minister for specific policies and action. If it is passed in Lok Sabha, COM need not resign. Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha. No confidence motion. No need to state reason. Only against entire COM. Moved for asserting the confidence of Lok Sabha in COM. If it is passed in Lok Sabha, COM must resign. Need support of 50 members to be admitted. Only Lok Sabha can pass. Motion of thanks. First session after each general election plus first session of every fiscal year is addressed by President. Discussed in both houses. Bills. 4 types of bills. First, ordinary, any other than financial matter. Second, money, financial matters. Third, financial matter other than money bill. Fourth, constitutional amendment. Public or government bills by minister reflect policies of government ruling party. Greater chance to be approved. Its rejection amongst to the expression of want of parliamentary confidence in government and may lead to resignation of government. Requires 7-day notice for introduction. Private members bill by any MP other than minister reflect stand of opposition party. Lesser chance, no implication of if rejected. 1 month notice. Money bills. If it is If it contains only provision dealing with all or any matter containing in Article 110, the bill is money bill and not. Decision with respect to this by Speaker is final and cannot be questioned in any court of law. Can only be asked in Lok Sabha. Every such bill is considered government bill. Thus, only minister can only be introduced with prior recommendation of the President. Rajya Sabha has restricted power with respect to money bills, cannot reject or amend the money bill, can only give recommendation, and Lok Sabha is not bound by these. Must return bill in 14 days to Lok Sabha. Financial bills. Money bill Article 110. Financial bill 1 117 1. Financial bill 2 117 3. Money bills are simply species of financial bill. All money bills are financial bill, but all financial bill are not money bill. Exclusively deals with matters under Article 110. Financial Bill 1, similar to money bill in two aspects, introduced only in Lok Sabha, introduced only on prior recommendation of President. In all other aspects, it is governed with same legislative procedure applicable to an ordinary bill. Financial Bill 2, treated as ordinary bill, it cannot be passed by either house unless President has recommended to that house the consideration of the bill. Joint sitting. Not available in case of money bills and constitutional amendment bills. Constitution has specified that in joint sitting, new amendments to the bill cannot be proposed except two cases. Becomes necessary due to delay. Those amendments caused final disagreement between houses. Budget. Article 112 Annual Financial Statement. Budget world nowhere mentioned in Constitution. Till 2017, two budgets, General and Railway. Railway budget separated from the General budget in 1924 on recommendation of A.C. Worth Committee Report 1921. Stages in enactment of budget. Presentation, general discussion, scrutiny by department committees, 4 voting on demand for grants, 5 passing of appropriation bill, 6 passing of financial bill. Voting on demands for grants. It is exclusive privilege of Lok Sabha. Cut motion. Policy cut. Disapproval of policy amount reduced to Rs 1. Economy cut. Significant amount reduction. Token cut. Specific grievances amount reduced to Rs 100. Reduced by Rs 100. Passing of appropriation bill. Constitution says no money shall be withdrawn from CFI except under appropriation made by law. Appropriation Act authorizes payment CFI. Parliamentary privileges does not extend to President. Annual Financial Statement. Parliamentary privilege does not extend to President. Special powers of Rajya Sabha. Article 249. Rajya Sabha can authorize Parliament to make law on state list subject. Article 312. Rajya Sabha can authorize Parliament to create new AIS common to both center and state. Article 67. RS alone can initiate a move for removal of Vice President. Constitution extends parliamentary privilege to Attorney General plus ministers. Annual Financial Statement. Parliamentary privilege does not extend to President, and Constitution extends parliamentary privilege to Attorney General plus minister. Parliamentary committees. Constitution makes mention of these but without any specific provision regarding their composition, tenure, etc. A. Financial committees. First, Public Account Committee. First set up in 1921. Under Government of India Act 1919, 22 members, 15 LS, 7 RS. Members are elected every year. Chairman appointed by Speaker from amongst members of Lok Sabha only. Cannot intervene in day-to-day administration. Conducts post-modern examination. Minister cannot become member. Second, Estimates Committee. In 1951, on recommendation of John Mathai Committee, 30 members, all from Lok Sabha only, examines budget only after they have been approved by Parliament. Minister cannot become member. Third, Committee on Public Undertakings, created in 1964 on recommendation of Krishna Menon Committee. 22 members, 15 plus 7. Chairman by Speaker can be from Rajya Sabha too. Lok Sabha only committee. Estimate Committee, Committee on Private Member Bills and Resolution, Committee on Absence of Members. D. Department Standing Committees, 24 in total, 18 Lok Sabha, 8 Rajya Sabha, member 16, 8. Lok Sabha member nominated by Speaker, Rajya Sabha by Chairman. Minister is not eligible to be a member. Parliamentary Forum, Chapter 24, Parliamentary Group, Chapter 25, not important for prelims perspective. Chief Minister. Constitution has not specified procedure for selection of CM. Article 164, CM shall be appointed by Governor. Governor has to appoint leader of majority party in State Legislative Assembly. Governor has situational discretion. Governor may first appoint CM, then ask to prove his majority in SLA. Person not member of either house can be appointed as CM for 6 months, within which he should become member of any house. Term is not fixed, plus hold office during pleasure of governor. Salary and allowances of CM are decided by state legislature. Oath of CM by governor. CM as head of state com has free hand in discretion of portfolios. He can reshuffle the ministers and even ask any minister to resign. Constitution of India lays down that proposal for legislation are to be communicated to the governor by CM. CM of state hold membership of National Integration Council, National Development Council, Interstate Council or Zonal Council. State CUM. Strength. Total minister including CM should not exceed 15% of total strength of state legislative assembly of that state. Governor can function without state com. There is constitutional requirement to have minister in charge of tribal welfare for state of MP, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Salaries and allowances of state com are paid from consolidated fund of state. Constitutional provisions that deal with the relationship of governor with the state com are described in Article 163, 164 and 167. 164. Principle of collective responsibility of state com. Ministers are appointed by governor on recommendation of CM. When legislative assembly pass no confidence motion against CM, then all ministers have to resign, including minister of legislative council. State legislature. Article 168 to 212, Part 6. अब इसे देखते हैं. State legislature. Article 168 to 212, Part 6. Only 6 states have bicameral system: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Parliament can abolish a legislative council or create it if concerned SLA passes a resolution with special majority, not to be deemed as an amendment of the Constitution. Strength of SLA: minimum 60, max 500. Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Goa fixed at 30. Mizoram 40 directly elected. Nagaland 46. Some members of Legislative Assembly of Sikkim, Nagaland are elected indirectly. 87th CAA 2003 delimitation of constituency as per 2001 census. However, this can be done without altering the total number of seats in assembly of each state. Nominated member 1 Anglo-Indian by governor. Nominated member by governor 1 Anglo-Indian. Reservation of seat for SC and ST on basis of population ratio. State council indirectly elected. Strength 40 minimum, 1/3 of total strength of SLA max. That is, size of council depends upon size of assembly of concerned state. Though constitution has fixed max and minimum limits, actual strength of council is fixed by parliament. Election of SLCs: 1/3 are elected by member of local bodies. 1/12 an elected graduate of 3 years. 1/12 by teachers of 3 years not in lower standard than secondary school. 1/3 member of Legislative Assembly of State from amongst persons not member of assembly. 1/6 are nominated by governor. Class: cooperative movement. L. Literature. A. Art. S. Science. S. Social service. Duration of SLA: like Lok Sabha, State Legislative Assembly is not a continuing chamber. Automatic dissolution after 5 years. Governor is authorized to dissolve SLA even before expiry of term. During national emergency, same provision as Lok Sabha. Duration of SLC: like RS, it is also a continuing chamber. 1/3 member retire every second year. Qualification: state legislature. Constitution: citizen. Age: 25-year SLA, 30-year SLC. Must pass other qualification prescribed by Parliament. Ropa 51. Parliament must be an electoral for an assent constituency legislative council. SLA must be an electoral for an assembly constituency in concerned state. Must be a member of SC or ST if contesting seats reserved for them. Disqualification for SLA and SLC. Constitution not a citizen. 4. Constitution not a citizen. Office of profit, unsound mind, insolvent, discharged. Disqualification under parliamentary law. Parliament Ropa 1951. Found guilty of certain election offences on corrupt practices. Convict for an offence resulting in imprisonment for 2 or more years. Preventive detention not a disqualification. Failed to lodge on account of his election expenses. No office of profit. Promoting enmity or bribery. With respect to above disqualifications, Governor's decision is final. However, he should obtain opinion ECI. As per 10th schedule, defection is decided by Speaker, Chairman and not Governor. 1992, decision is subject to judicial review. Every member should take an oath before Governor. Constitution: official language of SL. Hindi or English to be a language for transacting business in SL. Use of mother tongue can be allowed by presiding officer. Every minister plus advocate general of state have right to speak and take part in proceeding of either house or any of its committee which he is named a member without being entitled to vote. Final power of passing an ordinary bill also lies with SLA. At most, council can detain or delay bill for 4 months. Unequal power. 4 मंथ्स के लिए डिले कर सकते हैं, 3 months in first instance and 1 month in second instance. SL Council cannot remove State Com by passing no confidence motion because Council of Ministers is collectively responsible only to Assembly. Legislative Council is described as secondary chamber, white elephant, costly ornamental luxury. Provision with respect to money bill, same as Lok Sabha SLA, Rajya Sabha SLC, covered in earlier chapter. Provision with respect to ordinary bills. Parliament into either house or any member, same in state legislature, deemed passed only when both houses have agreed to it, same here. Deadlock, provision of joint sitting to resolve deadlock. No joint sitting is provided by constitution with respect to state legislature. Lok Sabha cannot override Rajya Sabha for second time and vice versa. SLA can override SLC by passing bill second time and vice versa, and not vice versa.